Eh? What are you trying to tell me? Could it be this? Stop chewing the drawer. Oh, listen to Skipper. Get off there! Come on, get off! Oh, listen to this. You can tell me what this... Oh. Shush. I swear she's crying. What's the matter, Skipper? What? What? What do you want? Hmm? What's the matter with you? Hmm? It's not supposed to be a video about you. It's not about you either. Hello, baby. This is about you this morning. Hello. Hello. Oh, shush. Talking to baby. Hello, baby. Hello. You're not going to talk to me now the camera's on you. Baby. Say hello, darling. Say hello, darling. Oh, you're a cheeky boy. You've been talking non-stop for an hour. Hello. How you going? Hello, baby.
Hello, baby.
Hello.
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 Hello, Cookie.
Hello, Cocky.
Hello, baby.
Hello, baby.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hello, Cookie. Hello, darling.
Hello, darling.
Hello, Cookie. Hello, baby.
Who's Mummy's clever boy? Hey? Who's Mummy's clever boy? Hmm? What's the matter? Hello? What do you think? You think Skipper's jealous? Listen to her. She's looking through the window at us. Hmm? What's that? What did you say then? Hey, who's Mummy's clever boy? Is it you? Alright. Listening to Skipper at the back door. What's the matter, darling? What? What's wrong? What? Come on. Hmm? What's the matter, darling? Hey? You're very agitated. Come here. Oh! That's a long way up there. Come on. Now, what's the matter with you? Alright? Yeah, so you come and tell me about it. Come on, tell me what's wrong. Oh. One of us should have shaved this morning. Hmm? Now what's the matter? You tell me what's going wrong. Hmm? Get off the drawer! Hmm? Hello. This is going to be another long video unless I edit it. Okay. Now, are you going to stop crying if I let you back up there? Alright. I'm not going to yell, I'm just going to tell you once. Thank you. Okay, Skipper, we can't sit and do this all day. Makes a very boring video, and I've got better stuff to do, like shaving, doing my hair. Okay. Have you had enough now, so that you can be out in your little... What is this? This area that you've got. Good morning, budgies. Up you go.